This programme contains strong language and sexual references from the outset and throughout.
I just want to be a good person and a good girlfriend. And at the minute, the guilt's just eating away inside of us and I'm not either.
I feel so guilty because I'm in that house with Ricky all the time.
What's he got to do with anything? Tell us what's going on.
Like, I don't know what's going on.
Other than how bad I was feeling, how bad I was making him feel, how bad I must be making Ricky feel. All of this led me to decide that I had to stop things with Dan.
I can't enjoy spending time with you because when I'm with you, I know I'm upsetting him.
So are you telling us you're picking him over me?
I'm not picking him over you, that's not what I'm saying. Oh my God, that's not what I'm saying in a million years.
But that's how you're making us feel right now, like. Honestly, I'm shocked. I'm dying inside right now.
I'm not saying that I'm picking him over you. I would never ever say that. I'm not doing this to be with him. I don't want that.
I just think you're so much better than this and I think you're so much stronger.
I'm now tashing on. What does that say about my willpower as a person? What does that say about my character?
I know that's you.
I know it's you too.
Dan did just fight for us there. Because that's the most romantic and caring thing anyone's managed to do for me.
Love you.
The only possible way that I can bring this back is by staying away from Ricky.